Hi there friends, this is Deepak Kshatriya and I welcome you all to another new session in Deepak's Kitchen, and today I'm going to show you a special recipe from Andhra. That's chili chicken gravy. This recipe na is so delicious and believe me it's spicy as hell and tastes even better with all sorts of flatbreads, rotis, naans and goes excellent with the chapati. So without much wait, let's see how this delicious and yummy chili chicken gravy, that too in Andhra style, is made. And to make this chili chicken gravy, here I've taken a mixie jar. In this I'm going to add a half a cup of fresh grated coconut. To this I will add nearly a half a cup of milk and grind it to a super fine paste. And now this is ready, let's keep it aside. Here I'll take another mixie jar. In this I'm going to add a sliced onions, one number, a bunch of fresh coriander leaves and a half a bunch of fresh pudina or a mint, and also we'll add 2 strands of curry leaves, and we'll add some water and make a fine paste of this. And here you go, this paste is also now ready. Let's keep it aside. Here I've taken a mortar and pestle. In this I'm going to add nearly 5 to 6 green chilies. You can add according to your taste. And a 1 inch of a ginger and nearly a 12 to 14 cloves of garlic. And we need to crush them. Now look, it's done. Let's keep this also aside. Look here, I kept a pot to heat. In this I'm going to add nearly 3 tablespoons of oil. In this I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of jeera and a 1.5 inch of cinnamon stick, a 4 cloves, and we'll add the curry leaves, and we'll add some of the crushed garlic. Give this a nice mix, and we'll add 1 cup of finely chopped onions. And we need to cook the onions until it becomes a light golden brown in color. Look here, you can see the onion is turning a light golden brown color now. And in this we'll add the crushed ginger, garlic and chili. And some slit green chilies. And we need to saute them for about 1 minute. In this we'll add some sliced tomatoes, a half a teaspoon of turmeric and salt as per taste, and give this a nice mix. And now look, even the tomatoes are nicely been softened up. At this time we'll add the 600 grams of chicken. Give it a nice mix. And now we'll close the lid and allow this to cook for about 10 minutes on a medium flame. And remember, don't add the water. And now look, it's been nearly 5 minutes. Let's open the lid. You can see I didn't add a bit of water, but the moisture present inside the chicken itself oozes out and the chicken will cook in its own juices. This is a secret tip of mine which gives it an excellent taste. In this I'm going to add a teaspoon of dhania powder, and also we'll add the ground masala paste and give this a nice mix. and we'll add some curry leaves. And after 2 minutes, this is perfect. In this we'll add the ground coconut paste and give this a nice mix. We'll check the seasoning at this time. If you want more salt, you can add at this time. To this I'm going to add a teaspoon of garam masala powder. Give this a final mix. And we'll close the lid and allow this to cook for about 15 minutes on a low heat. And now look, it's been nearly 15 minutes. Let's open the lid. You can see all the oil and the fat is floating on the top. It means the gravy is perfectly ready, and you can see how beautiful it has been done. This is it. You can adjust the consistency according to your taste, but for me this is perfect. And here you go, the Andhra style spicy chili chicken gravy is now ready to taste. It's that easy to make. If so, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon and touch the notifications to all. So we'll be back with another yummy recipe. Till then, Deepak Kshatriya signing off, and Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka, Namaskara.